I became interested in healthcare when my wife was in PA school. Her class went on a medical mission trip and I was invited to go along to do some construction work because I was in construction at the time. There wasn't a lot of work for me to do there and they asked me to help with some of the clinics that they were running. It really inspired me to want to be more involved with healthcare. It took a few years, but eventually I went to EMT school, became a paramedic, worked at the fire department, and worked my way up to getting where I am now. The program at PCOM Georgia is the perfect fit for me because of the class size. It's really small and you get to know each other really well. The professors are easily approachable, and if we ever have a question, they're always there. One of the things I'm looking forward to is clinical rotations, because that's going to give me the opportunity to make a decision on what specialty field I want to move into. Formerly being a paramedic, I wanted to be more involved with the definitive care of patients, and being a physician assistant would allow me to be a part of that process.